Alright, YouTube, how we doing today? Well, I got another interesting one for you. I seriously do. I know, big old empty package, right? Walking through Wal Mart the other day, right there on the holiday, area over in the outdoor section, Gerber's holiday pack for 2019. So stay tuned after I roll that intro. I'm going to tell you about everything that came inside that little package. Alright, all you viewers to be named later, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now I gotta get this out of the way before we get to the fun. If you are under the age of 13, please stop watching this video right now. I ain't in the mood to catch a COPPA violation for you. Okay, so I also want to take 1 minute and talk to you first-time viewers of the channel. I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm very, very flattered you chose one of mine. We like to do things really, really differently here on the channel, and I hope you like what you're about to see. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, here's your first chance. Look right down below. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Not channel symbol, channel watermark. Knock it out the way early, and here's why. This channel is growing, we're having a lot of fun, and I want you along for the ride. You know, I liken this channel to a burning clown car at times. You never know what you're going to get, but it's always kind of fun. Alright guys, now as you saw, there was 3 things that came inside that pack. It only cost 20 bucks, and you more than double your value with this purchase. Now I know it's Gerber, I know a lot of people hate it, and I didn't expect a lot from it. One of the items in there I'd already gotten in a previous PMP prep box. Everybody pretty much has a paraframe, but I had been looking at that fixed blade for a little while to say, okay, well, let's bring it to the channel. So we're going to start there. Now, the fixed blade out of that pack is the Freeman Guide. And there it is right there. Pretty lightweight, nothing really over the top, nothing really goes gimme, gimme, gimme. But according to Gerber, the value of this is 32 bucks. Now, I'm going to do things a little differently with this one. Normally with knife reviews, I'd be behind the camera and we do cut tests. Well, we're not going to do cut tests today. You're going to see my happy face pointing at stuff. So it's got an overall length of about 8.375 inches. The blade's 4, and the handle's 4.375. The steel's a budget steel of 5CR15 MOV. I know. It'll take an edge. You're going to have to sharpen it a lot. But you pay 20 bucks for a pack. You're getting 2 blades and a sharpener. Like I said, you're more than doubling. It's 4.40 ounces, done in a drop point style with a hollow grind, plain edge, which is miraculous for Gerber. And they call these tack hide scales. They're seriously like a really grippy plastic, and it fits really well inside my hand. And yes, they're made in China, okay? Because you don't see them made in the USA or made in Portland on the other side. The one thing I really didn't like is the weird jimping right back through here. It just felt weird in certain areas, but I get it. Grabs for more of a control. Like I said, those finger chorls they just suck your hand right in. Came with like a little ballistic nylon sheath, as they call it, and a little hard plastic insert to keep the blade in there. Like I said, nothing huge. Something I wanted to bring to the channel, something affordable, something easy. There you go. Like I said, next one up is a paraframe. And who doesn't have a paraframe? Alright, this is the paraframe mini with a value according to Gerber of 15 bucks. Overall length of 5.25 inches, the blade's 2.125, and closed it's 3.125. Clip point style with the little nail nick opener. And all it said was stainless steel on Gerber and other sites, but I had to do a lot of digging, and this one seems to be 5CR15 MOV. It's got the plain edge, bead blast finish, and yes, it is made in China. There's a little pocket clip. Frame lock. Nothing huge, And the last item, and I did get one of these in a previous PMP prep box. I was going to do a review on it just for fun, but it's a little handheld, sharpener. The usual carbide bits on one side and ceramic bits on the other. So you can put an edge on there. You don't... This is what kills me, is when people are pulling it through, it's like you're trying to jam the blade right through the sharpener in order to get it sharp, and you will peel steel off. If you just go very softly Yeah, great. Yeah, okay, so just go very, very softly across it. It'll put an edge on your blade. And that's $3.95. I know. Nothing huge, nothing fancy, nothing out of the ordinary. Three little everyday carry items, depending on your state, depending on what you want to do. All that for 20 bucks. Not a bad deal. To me, not a bad deal. I know. My channel is very, very Gerber friendly. I get it. All right. Some of you hate Gerber, and that's cool. But here's the fun part for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, anger, hatred, whatever, down below in the comments section. I want to know what you think of this kit. You know, do you have any of these items? Have you used any of them? You know, I'd like to know. You know, leave it down below. Okay. Now, let's do the wrap up and get moving on, because there's not much more you can say about this other than you got a fix with a sheath, you got a folder, and you got a sharpener. So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, like I said in the beginning, man, we do things a little bit differently around here. Yeah, that's right. It's a quick overlook at Gerber's, like, a holiday pack. I'm sure they'll have another one out there like they did last year with 4 paraframes, but who knows? You know, I found this one, thought, what the heck, I'd bring it to the channel. So, for you first-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, here's your second chance at redemption. Look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon right next to it, or the notification icon, whatever you want to call it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Just one of the blades from the Gerber Wal Mart Holiday Pack 2019. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope y'all have a great one.